Greg Haver. I'm one of the co-curators on Songhubs Māori Cymraeg, which is a songwriting collaboration project between Welsh and Māori-speaking musicians. This project's really important because anything that's going to encourage the use of Indigenous languages within contemporary music, it's vital for maintaining the languages, it's vital for the creative sector to expand on its use of other languages apart from English. Just to bring different Indigenous languages together and just exchange ideas, and I think we'll find that there's a lot more similarities than there are differences. I mean, every song that comes out of Songhubs surprises me because it was not there the morning that we started. But that's the magic of music. We create something out of nothing.
Waiata, or music song, is such a powerful influencer. We have an opportunity to create bullet points of brilliance.
Kia ora, my name is Kawiti Waitford and I am a co-curator of APRA Songhubs Reo Māori Welsh 2024. Beautiful thing about Songhubs is that you get all these amazing artists coming together and singing in their reo, infused with our reo, infused with our wairua, and infused with that brilliance of music. When you bring two cultures and two languages, how people learn the kupu, not only the words, but that kind of ethos that comes with the language, how those interplays might occur.
So my name is Kat Southall from Aberdare in South Wales. I'm a first language Welsh speaker. I'm a songwriter and a singer. Collaborating like this with such incredible artists, talking about our languages, our cultures, the way we feel, that created the energy for us to then start bouncing off each other. To be able to combine both languages is a very exciting experience. I just feel so grateful to be here, and I feel that I'm going to be going home a different person.
Kia ora, I'm Natasha Brinkman and I'm Director for British Council for New Zealand and the Pacific. The British Council is the UK's organisation for cultural relations and education. So we create peace and prosperity by creating connections, understanding and trust between the UK and countries worldwide. The British Council supports this kaupapa along with the British High Commission and with APRA because we want to create, as a cultural relations organisation, those true moments of cultural exchange. We see music as a really wonderful way to do this.
Hawaii,